In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add text to a board and rotate it cleanly so your diagrams, labels, and notes look polished and intentional. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. From your dashboard, you'll see options to start something new. Choose Create New, and then select Board. This opens a fresh blank canvas where you can try things out without affecting any existing work. If you already have a board open, you can follow along right there. Next, let's add some text. Look for the text tool in the left toolbar. It's the icon that looks like a capital T. Click it, then click anywhere on the board to place a text box. Type a short line like a label or a heading so you have something to rotate. If you already have a text box on the board, simply click it to select it. When a text box is selected, you'll see a bounding box with control points around it. Now, to rotate, find the rotate icon on or near the selection boundary. It's the small curved arrow handle that appears when your text box is selected. Click that rotate handle once to activate rotation. You'll notice your cursor changes to indicate you're in rotate mode. With the rotate handle active, click and drag your mouse to turn the text to the angle you want. As you rotate, keep an eye on the angle indicator that appears so you can be precise. Miro also helps by snapping to common angles like 0, 90, and 180 degrees, which is useful for keeping things neat. If you need fine control, zoom in a bit and drag more slowly. Small movements will translate into small angle changes, making it easier to dial in the exact position. A few quick tips to make your rotated text readable and professional. Keep rotated labels short so they're easy to scan. If you're tilting text over a busy background, increase the font size or add a contrasting shape behind it for clarity. And after rotating, you can still move the text box around to align it with shapes, arrows, or swim lanes on your board. If you decide you don't like the rotation, just grab the rotate handle again and drag it back until it snaps straight. And that's all there is to it. Go to Miro, create a new board. Use the text tool to add or select your text. Click the rotate icon and drag your mouse to set the angle. Practice it a couple of times, and rotating text will feel completely natural in your workflow.